Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the living group. So now I want to show you how to answer. So this is so simple. The living group that should be about this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So the next one we need to analyze. So about this one, we can see that iodide they connect to this one that is about secondary, because that should be like this. And this is about the secondary. The next one, this is about basilic. So that should be about B, because we can see that this is about benzene. About this one, that is about tertiary, because that should be like this. And that's about number 3. This one about a lilac, because that should be like this. So that's why we have a lilac, and that is about 8. And the last one, that is about primary. So we have like this. And this is about the water. This is the end. Thank you for watching.